So as I'm recording this video, it is still Christmas, and you won't see it until after Christmas has passed. So I hope you had a very good Christmas. And for me, I tend to have a beer while working on this PC that has been out in a shed during a couple of years, many years. I believe it should be at least 4 years. And this is my wife's old PC. She mentioned that it had some pictures that she wanted to keep. So what I'm going to do today, see if it's still booting up and see what we can do with it. Otherwise, just rip out the hard drive and see what happens. But first, let's open the beer. This is a vintage ale and numbered. It is a limited edition. Grab my glass. Let's pour it up. So welcome to another video, and if you watched the intro, I told you about this PC that belonged to my wife, and she had some pictures on it she wants to keep, and it has been outside for at least 4 years. So we're going to see if we can boot it up, and if it can't be booted up, let's just take it apart and look at the hard drive and see if we can extract anything from it. So let's begin by having a sip of my lovely beer. Damn, that's good. And let's press the power button. Let's pray. Wow, do we get a display? So we got a display and the passcode. I have no idea what it is, and my wife is sleeping from working tonight. So let's shut it down and take it apart. And power button. So let me get all the things that I don't need out of the way so we can have a proper workspace. So everything that I don't need is out of the way, and let's open this thing up. Oh, good God. This needs some serious cleaning. Ooh, God. Ooh. Yuck. So much dust. So now let's have a look at the RAM. And it is DDR3. This is a 1 GB Hynix stick. And let's see what the next one is. 2 GB Samsung. And believe it or not, they're not that dusty. And it is a 500 GB Seagate Barracuda, so 200 RPM hard drive. And the memory card reader, which is also extremely dirty. Well, and there we are, it's all disassembled. And it's dirty, to to put it mildly. So this needs some serious cleaning, but I'm gonna do all of that off camera. I've showed it a million times already. So let's get to the part where we get the data off the hard drive. So now we've come to the part in what this video is all about, and that is how do you extract the data from a hard drive, from a PC that you might not have access to, or the motherboard is dead, or CPU is dead, or something makes you not able to view what data is on it. And that's where this comes in. A docking station for hard drives and another PC. I am using a laptop, so let's turn it on. But you might have a desktop. This works fine as well. Yes, this is convenient. You don't have to open up your desktop and put a hard drive in it. So this makes it a lot easier. Now I'm just going to create a backup folder so I know it is from this hard drive. And let's put it in. Oops, wrong way. And turn on the docking station, and you will hear it spin up. And that's a good thing. And it's Windows initializing it now. And it shows up beautifully. So sometimes, let's see here if we enter that. Yeah, when you try to go into users on the hard drive, you might get that you don't have the necessary rights to access it. So you just can press continue and get access to the drive. It might take a short while to open it up. Wow, now we got access. Let's see what we have here. Let's spy around. So let's make a couple of subfolders for videos and photos and so on. Well, this is going to take a pretty long time to complete, so let's end the video right here. So now you know how to back up your data from a dead PC or a PC that you lost the passcode to. I mean, don't use this to rip someone off their precious data. Just do this with your own or any family member that asks you to do it. And that's it for this time. I hope you have enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all very soon in the next one.